Inumpirma ng Armed Forces of the Philippines na kasalukuyang nasa ilalim ng Office of the AFP Chief of Staff si Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos. Ito'y matapos siyang ma-relieve sa pwesto bilang hepe ng AFP Western Command. Ngayong araw ay humarap si Carlos sa pagdinig ng Senado at dito ay nilinaw niyang may natanggap siyang tawag mula sa Chinese Military Attaché noong nakaraang taon, ngunit iginit niyang hindi siya pumasok sa anumang kasunduan na maglalagay sa kompromiso sa interes ng bansa. Hindi rin anya siya ang nag-initiate ng tawag na nagtagal lamang umano ng ilang minuto. Hindi rin anya niya pinayagan ang pag-record sa kanilang usapan. Hindi naman nagbigay ng komento ang AFP hinggil sa pagharap ni Carlos sa Senado.
I received the phone call, sir. I did not initiate the call. We talked about exploring ways to de-escalate or to reduce the tension in the West Philippine Sea, in my area of operations, Mr. Chair. We did not discuss the new model. We did not discuss the term common understanding, new model, were not part of our conversation, Mr. Chair. As far as I can remember, Mr. Chair, it lasted for 3 to 5 minutes, and we talked about how to reduce the tension in the West Philippine Sea, particularly during our rotation and resupply mission in Ayungin Shoal.
Okay,
we were exploring ways, sir, to reduce the tension, having coming from the December 2023 RORE, sir, where our supply ships were water cannon, and we were planning for the next RORE. I would be happy, sir, to brief the good senator and the committee in a executive session regarding the operational concept for that RORE, which involves this telephone conversation, Mr. Chair. So I have not given my consent to record to anybody, and I have not been asked for permission to do so.